What is going on YouTube? How y'all doing today? I'm back again for another session, and this time I want to talk to you a little bit about traffic and conversion. Why? Because traffic is the lifeblood to any online business or even offline business. No matter what kind of business, online or off, you need traffic. And not only do you need traffic, you need converting traffic. So when it comes to an online business, a lot of marketers tend to do solo or paid, which is paid traffic, or join other type of traffic platforms. Now, when it comes to that, you want to be able to tell that traffic is converting. You don't want to just buy traffic that stands still and lay dead in the water. You want converting traffic. Why? Because converting traffic leads to sales. The more conversions you get in your traffic, the more sales you're going to get off your product. Now, I want to go back into my lead gen secret because there's members who's using this traffic source and just crossed over 25K in commissions using my lead gen secret. That means what? That the traffic from here is converting highly. And there's other members in the group too that are getting sales and conversions from the traffic that they have purchased from my lead gen secret. It is a monthly subscription. It's a $60 to get started and $30 per month for 100 leads per day. Now, as an affiliate, it comes with an affiliate program, and it gives you commission and compensation 5 levels deep. So going back over, and I don't want to jump over and just get all over the place, but stand on topic with traffic, converting traffic, because it's very important to know that the traffic that you're buying and paying for every month with your hard-earned money is going to convert into sales. It might not be that same day, it might not be within that week, but as long as you keep mailing these leads every day, you're going to start seeing conversion in the traffic, and conversion leads to what? Sales. So if you want to check out how my lead gen secret work, I'm going to have the link in the description in the bottom. You can go get over to this page, watch this 7-minute video, 7-minute video, and it's going to explain to you how my lead gen secret came about and how it can help you benefit in your online business. Now, I want to note this. When it comes to my lead gen secret, it's been around for a long time, and it's been standing the test of time. So if you want to work with a traffic source, you want to know that their traffic is 1, converting highly, 2, more than 1 or 2 members in the group are getting sales, and 3, withstanding the test of time. That means that they've been around, they know how to gather traffic that converts to your offers, that in the long run turn into sales for you. I'm going to jump over into the proof group real quick so that you can see see a couple testimonies of our members that have been having success with the traffic from my lead gen, and you can make the observation and make the decision. Make the decision on if you want to get started with my lead gen secret as a traffic source. So if you see Ed Newman, I broke 25K in commissions. Woohoo! 25K in commissions using my lead gen secret as a traffic source. You see David Pintos, 3 days since my last post and another sale. I've been generating weekly sales by keeping constant and implementing the strategies I share pretty upon openly on my YouTube channel and group. It's simple. My lead secret is creating a nice cash flow monthly, and they are buyers. So as you can see, David is getting multiple sales with my lead gen secret. Ed Newman has crossed 25K. Congratulations to you, Ed, for crossing 25K in sales with my lead gen secret. That is just so awesome. I enjoy reading other people's testimony because it makes me not just only happy for them, but gives me the satisfaction to know that what I'm doing works, and where I'm at in my online journey is in a good space. So we're gonna keep going with a couple more testimonies. Travis, Alex, yes, these two sales arrived in my Warriors Plus account. Easy, $36.26 from a second account. Keep emailing button. And he got converted sales through Warrior Plus. So you can, the awesome thing about this, you can promote whatever product or opportunity that you have to these leads, and they're more than willing to check out your opportunity or your product that you have to offer. My lead, another one from Frank Colombo Jr. I might be saying that wrong. My lead gen secret, I spent $30 out of pocket one time and made over 53K. Congratulations to you, Frank, for crossing 53K using my lead gen secret as a traffic source. As you can see, there's members in here that are having great success with my lead gen secret. It's been brought me multiple leads and multiple sales within my business too. Excuse me, I got my little one over here and she's just crying for me. Give me one. And jumping right back into it. 19 hours ago, Mitchell says, "Hey, dear friend, dear fellow members, it's been a while since I posted some proof. So today, I got 2 Warrior Plus sales. Rest of the week, I had some CPA earnings, which is click per offer. You get paid each click on offer that someone's clicking on and checking out the offer. Before I show you the proof, I got something to say. First of all, I want to thank James Flamba for bringing me into this program back in 2019. Since 2019, I did not go get results from a long time, but because I was not consistent. That's the key word, consistent. Staying consistent, whether it's free traffic like this here on YouTube, whether it's Facebook traffic, whether it's Twitter traffic, whether it's TikTok traffic, you have to stay consistent if you want to be making money online. You have to be willing to be consistent every day. Put yourself inside of your boss's shoes, where you get up and you go to your 9 to 5 every day. Put yourself in that owner of that business shoes. He got up every day and he stayed consistent with his business, and that's where it's at. That's why it's at where it is, and you're able to have a job within that business. Now, if you want to learn how to run your own online business and start a online business, I'll have a link in the bottom of the description that teaches you how to start an online business with attraction marketing. It's called Infinity Processing System. It's a training platform to teach you how to attract the perfect customer and client to you, so you're not running around and DMing everybody and asking mom and cousins and friends to join you with your opportunity. It also gives you a branded web page. We'll go over branding in a different video, but if you would like to know how to start your own business with attraction marketing, I'll have that link in the description also. So it teaches you how to set your business on autopilot too. So you can use that business with these leads here on my lead gen secret and start seeing some success with that. So I just want to run into my back office real quick. I want to show you that I sent out leads today, and excuse me, phone ringing. I sent out some leads today, and that was about like 5 o'clock this morning. So I have 61 open so far, which gives me a 2% rate, open rate, which is fine. We still have, it's only 9:53 a.m. Arizona time, so I still have majority of the day to give people time to get into their email inboxes and open up some emails. As you see on other opportunities and things that I have posted, I have click-through rates, not just open, but click-through, where they went through and either saw the product, gonna come back to it, they purchased the product, or they just closed out the email and kept going. It's okay. It's gonna happen. That's why you have to stay consistent every day with mailing these leads. And I got started in 8:03. I was consistent all the way up. I missed a day, consistent all the way up, missed a day. But sometimes you have to take time to spend time with your family. But as you can see, I've been staying really consistent with mailing these leads, and this is just showing from 8:03, but I actually got started last month around the 15th, so I'm already 30 days in with this opportunity. My lead gen secret, I sent to 3,400 leads today, which is pretty awesome. Again, for being around that long, withstanding the test of time, I'm almost done here. And if you stayed and rocked with me to the end of the video, then I want to congratulate you and thank you. Please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know where you're coming from in the comments, and I'll get back with you. But if you want and need a reliable traffic source, my lead gen secret, I have the link in the description down at the bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm out of here. Go do something with your kids. I know I am. But that's Corey Norris, and that's kind of my review of my lead gen secret in a nutshell. Again, that link is in the description. In the bottom, please give me that thumbs up, hit that bell, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, and you can see all the up-to-date videos that we post here on Reviews with Corey Norris. I'll see you guys later. I'm out of here.